Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both traded contradictory today again, where we have seen, see, it has carried forward the momentum from yesterday, where Tech 100 was bleeding and US30 has seen a good rise. Today again, we have seen the same momentum. US30 has achieved again fresh highs at 38,550, while US100 has moved towards 17,220 levels. We have recommended to you to stay short below 17,300, 17,280 zone, where we can look forward to more bearish momentum. I hope you all profited so far. Now, what to expect today with the US session, with the data releases, with the Fed, and with the Chairman Powell's speech? What is going to be our strategy? How you can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the second update for the day. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me. Let's start first Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones Most. Now, first you look at the daily charts, you'll find US100 has been trading in this channel. It has almost achieved this and it has gone closer towards the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 17,180, 17,150 levels. Yes, the median of the Bollinger Bands, the 20 period moving average, and the pivot level. Three important support levels for Tech 100 on the downside. But only selling entry now, for now, I will recommend at 17,200. If you look at these lows here, you will find yes, it can try to move towards 17,200, 180 zone and bounce back from those levels possible. What has happened so far for the day? Yesterday we have seen a sharper drop. After that, it has seen a lower lows, and now it could recover completely. There is a possibility to it. The stock I stick looking downward. See on the daily charts, MACD crossing over here for a sell, and this is almost after forming a triple bottom. Be watchful of this. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, one must notice, see this and see this. Where are the highs of this channel? At 17,500 levels. The lows of the channel at 17,200. Where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy here at 17,350, 360 zone. After that, we can look forward to 420 and 480 zone at the next resistance. Yes, it could try to trade in this channel, which is indeed a bearish channel. Hitting the lows, it can hit the highs as well and can move towards 17,400, 450. The stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Likewise, on the 3-hour chart, see drop here, retracement, and yes, if you look at the bearishness is getting diminished with every move. Thus, if you look at Tech 100 trading above 17,350, 360, treat this as a reversal. It is going to rocket towards 17,400, 420 levels as the next targets, and a move above 17,450 will lead to more bullish momentum. Reversal confirmation is above 17,500. Be watchful of that. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat at bottom, and on the 2-hour chart, it appears this could be a reversal sign. From here, prices could try to reach higher. How high it can fly, I will look forward to this zone here where the crossover is seen, 400, 450 zone. That should be a greater resistance zone, but a confirmation of bullishness is only above 17,350 levels. Thus, looking at the charts and indicators, I recommend you to buy today at 17,350 levels. Expect it to get the resistance at 17,400, 450. And yes, this could be a larger resistance zone from where the prices might again try to trade bearish. Be watchful of that. It can show you swings. You have to be careful of the swings today. And a selling entry here on the downside, I recommend is only below 17,250. But then also 17,220, 200 is the first support zone. 180, 150 is the next support zone. Bearishness is below 17,150, where the next target is 17,100, and below 17,100 it is going to drop heavily. Be watchful of this. I still expect it to retrace a little before looking forward to a drop. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch. 28th batch started this week itself. 29th batch is announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Reach out again to join or be part of any of the services. Yes, you get the live updates by joining my free Telegram channel, and yes, you can get all the data related to trading, be it the economic calendar, be it the live charts, or be it the community of traders, by joining my platform forexfunder.com. There you get the opportunity to also interact with not only the like-minded traders in the community, but also you can book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Visit the platform today, buy at 17,350 and sell at 17,250. In between this, do not take and those who want to risk a little can buy at around 17,300 levels as well. Be careful of 325, 352 resistances on the upside. Only after that, more bullish momentum can prevail. On the downside, selling is anyways at 250. Be careful of 200, 220 zone first resistance, 150, 180 the next. After that, certainly more bears will take over. Let's have a look at Dow. The US30 on the hourly charts is showing a reversal sign here on the hourly charts, hitting 38,550 levels. We've seen it reversing. Now almost hitting the bottom of the channel here. Thus, only a selling entry in US30 is below 38,450, and then you can expect 400 and 380 as the two support levels. Only and only if you see US30 below 38 400 and 380 zone, we can treat this as bearish, and then 38 300 250 will be seen. Now if you look at the momentum in US30 so far, see, this was the consolidation zone, breakout, retracement towards 20 period moving average, breakout. Now it has again hit 20 period moving average and can reverse as well. Any rise above 38,550, just stay bullish in US30. We are looking forward to see. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned buy above 38,520, 550 and 580 are the two resistances. It can move towards 580 as well. The stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bearish looking downwards. This is something we should be watchful of, though it does not mean that it cannot rise further. It can. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation here. Yes, it has seen a drop. If it breaks out, I'm just looking at the double top levels. 38,550, 580 is the zone it needs to break. Certainly, after that, it is going to trade heavily bullish towards 38,700. Stochastic looking down, MACD trying to converge, RSI overbought. And on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. Just look at the preceding candle. I am just looking at the double top level, certainly, which is a sign of bearishness and the resistances. Coming to the day. Now, on the daily charts as well, see, candle has started bullish, it has achieved highs, and there is a possibility for it to move towards 580 levels as well, which is going to be a greater resistance. Only thing is, buying entries above 37, 38, 550 levels, above which you can look forward to 580 and 600 as the first and stronger resistance level. And as long as 38 550 and 600 levels are respected, we have to be careful with the rise, beyond which I will be looking forward to 38 680 700 as the next target zone, which is an achievable zone as well. Buying at 38 550 certainly can lead to more bullishness. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 38 450, wait for it to break towards 400 levels. Right. On the downside, 400, 350, 300. These are going to remain the support levels. Once it drops below 38, 500, you can say now the bears will take over. See, it is still looking upwards. The bullish momentum has certainly decreased, but look at the highs. What it can aspire to achieve is phenomenal. Look at the channel here. Hitting the bottom, it can aspire to achieve 38, 800 levels as well. Be watchful of this. Stochastic is rising, MACD is still bullish, RSI is overbought. Considering this, buy at 500, 50, 600 zone. After that, we can look forward to 700, 800 as the next targets, and then nobody can stop it for 39,000 levels. Chances for which appears to be less, but yes, these are markets you have to trade with caution. On the downside, selling at trade 450, but with a caution rate of 400 levels as the first support level and 350, 300 as the next. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session. Watch that update as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank